Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if you can't find the App Store on your phone. Let's get started. First, swipe down on your home screen and use the search bar. Type Apple Store. If it shows up, just tap it to open. If you see it there, that means the app isn't gone. It's just hidden somewhere on your phone. Next, check your folders. Sometimes the App Store gets placed in a random folder with other apps. Open folder one by one and look for the blue App Store logo. If you still don't see it, go to the settings. After that, scroll down and tap on screen time. Next, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then tap iTunes and App Store purchased and make sure installing apps and App Store are set to allow. If it's restricted, you won't see the App Store icon. If you still can't find it, go to the settings. After that, tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Reset. After that, reset home screen layout. This will put all apps back in their default spots, so the App Store should appear again on your first screen. And that's it. Remember, you can't delete the App Store. It's always on your phone. If it looks missing, just hidden or restricted. Try these steps and you will have it back in no time. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.